Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple and super quick, delicious, scrumptious seafood boil that everyone will surely be sure to love and enjoy. I used lobsters, live oysters, Zatarain's crab boil, Old Bay, snow crab legs, shrimp, beef sausage, potatoes, corn, and Heineken for this concoction. So I'm going to use my crab pot that I bought from the farmer's market. And for this, the insert that you see at the bottom is just a simple thin plate. And you put your seasonings at the bottom and all things of that nature. So I put my Zatarain's crab boil at the bottom. And then I put the top back on and you fill the water up to the line at the bottom. And then I just put my Heineken at the top to top it off. After letting the water steam for about 15 minutes, I took the top off and added chopped corn, chopped red potatoes, and chopped beef sausage to the mix. I then proceeded to sprinkle lemon pepper with salt seasoning and Old Bay seasoning sparingly on the mix. I then added the crab legs and sprinkled a little bit of Old Bay on top of them, closed the lid, and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, after these crab legs have cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to add my lobster and my shrimp last because they take so quick to cook. You don't want them to be overcooked and mushy. So I'll let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe. Now I'm going to make my jambalaya on the side with some peppers and onions. After I chopped up my peppers and onions and my sausage, I'm going to just put them in a pot and fry it with some canola oil for about 10 to 15 minutes until it gets a little brown. Once it starts to get brown in the pot, I'm going to add crushed red peppers and Cajun seasoning. Add a little bit of water to boil it out because I'm going to add my Jambalaya Zatarain's mix. Let it boil out. Add chives to the top to taste. And there you go. It is so good. You can add a little butter on the top as well. Speaking of butter, here's my melted butter for our seafood boil. And here you go. Doesn't it look scrumptious and delicious? I just sprinkled a little bit of Old Bay just for decorations. And I had some oysters on the side as well. And those are simple. You just boil them in water in the oven. And there it is, a simple seafood boil. Now this meal was able to feed 4 people at 1 lobster each. I had 16 crab legs in total, so 4 crab legs each. I bought a pack of corn, a pack of potatoes, a pack of sausage, and a pound of shrimp, 2 dozen of oysters, so for 4 people it was 6 oysters each, and I bought all of these at my local Kroger.